Hello YouTube viewers, remember me? I'm Glide and Jealous. You don't remember me? Well, I was gone for a long time. And there was a reason for that. Because I had some troubles on my work and with some private problems. But it's over now, and there's no need to stay angry all the time or to be mad. I have to move on with my life and focus on the happy things. And one of the happy things is to make some reviews. And now I'm going to review an older toy. My first Toy Story toy. So let's get started. But first I'm going to show you the box right in front of me. You don't see it? Really? Well, sorry, there isn't any. Yes, I have the box, but I can't find it. Let's pretend there is a box, and on the left corner we see Buzzlightyear, or maybe on the right corner we see Buzzlightyear, and on the other corner we see an orange cone. The orange cone from the Toy Story, first Toy Story movie. This is the cone that you see. Nothing special. Well, it is. As you can see, there are some buttons on it. A talking button, a special action button, a light, and park and play. What shall we do first? Now, it's all parked now. Let's play. But we're going to talk a bit.
To Al's Toy Barn and beyond.
And another again.
Move!
And again.
Be on the lookout for transport vehicles. I'm Buzzlightyear, Space Ranger.
I'm happy for you.
We've got to find Woody. Ready, set, go! Be careful. Be careful. To infinity and beyond.
There are some other ways to use this toy, to play with it. And one of the way is to use the remote control. Or we switch on to play. It's a little bit slippery. Open and close. Open and close. No. The other way is the special action.
Be careful. Be on the lookout for transport vehicles. Perfect. We're right on course.
Basically, he does do the same. Who has made this toy? Well, that's not a difficult question. It's a Thinkway toy. you will see I'm a thinking toy. From Thinkway Toys, made in China, Disney Pixar. This toy is very rare and hard to find. The only person that I saw who has the same toy is Mike Mozart from the Toy Channel. If you can find it, if you still can find it, it's hard, but it's a lot of fun, as I showed you already. I'm going to close up this video, but first, before I will do that, I show you Buzzlightyear close. Here is the speaker. The helmet is only a plastic. You can't close it. There are some stickers on it, like the same like on the larger scale Buzzlightyear, and the wheels. And on the side we see also thinking toy and made in China, the Disney Pixar and Thinkway Toys. I'm a proud owner of this toy, and that's all. I hope you had a lot of fun, and I'll see you back. Bye bye.